Do you love food like I love food? If that's true, keep on watching. Hi, good afternoon. My name is Chef Des and I work at Flavours School of Cookery. Now here we have so many classes on for your child this summer that it's unbelievable. There are over 30 different days for you to choose from. So it's really important, if you love food and your child loves food, that you carry on watching, because we have inspired the entire summer by some really great restaurants from around the world. From the Rainforest Cafe with its coconut, delicious coconut rice with its mama's curry. And also guys, I've got my Sweet Emporium, which is filled with strawberry marshmallows, peanut brittle, and also some Belgian mini cupcake chocolate cup things. They're gonna be sensational. Look, enough of me yapping away. Get booking, because if you don't, your child's going to be standing on the side. Are you tired of your kid doing the floss? Are you tired of your kid doing his funky dances that you don't understand? Instead of them doing that, send them to us down here, Flavours School of Cookery, and we will teach them how to cook as well as having fun. There's math skills, there's cooking skills, there's life skills. Do you know what? We've got the entire lot covered. Come on down, give us a call, 01202 42 4445, and we will be happy to tell you about all of the classes that we have for your child this summer. This is Chef Des. Let's teach our kids stuff that will make a difference for the future.